With both Halloween and SEMA approaching, it's the perfect time for a monstrous creation. And do exactly what Eneos Motor Oil asked for from drift racer Faruk Kugay. And he really delivered with the Jaguar E-Type 2JZ, sure to horrify purists. This build actually takes a lot of inspiration from Jaguar's past. For example, the wheels and rear fender flares were inspired by those found on the factory lightweight racer that was produced by Jaguar starting in 1963. Naturally, the custom-designed 17-inch Rotiform wheels are larger than the ones found on the real lightweight. The wheel wells were also finished with carbon fiber, a technology Jaguar wasn't using in the 60s. Those big wheels and strong flares were necessary to account for the insane amount of power that the Toyota Supra sourced 2JZ GT inline-6 engine would produce. Even that engine was chosen to respect the car, which originally came equipped with a full .2-liter straight 6. Kugay actually has a lot of experience with the 2JZ GT engine, which currently power his Formula Drift Nissan S14. So he is confident that in combination with a Borg-Warner EFO 8470 for turbocharger, a vibrant performance intercooler, and a Link G for Fury ECU, it can make up to 750 horsepower. To handle that power, the car gets the ZF 5-speed manual transmission from an E36 BMW M3. And there's more BMW farther back. The rear subframe, suspension, and differential were all borrowed from an E65 series. Meanwhile, the front brakes come from a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette, one of a trio of Frankenstein builds commissioned by Eneos for SEMA 2023. The Jaguar E-Type 2JZ will be on display on the show floor next to a twin-engine Nissan 350Z and 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser pickup. The show runs from October 31st to November 3rd.